Did you know that a lot of universities in central London during the summer months when the students go home rent out their rooms? So I've got a bit of a different video for you today. I've just checked into Prince's Gardens at Imperial College London, and it's basically student digs, which I have spent 3 years of my life living in, but they rent them out to tourists. And so I'm here for one night. I'm staying at Imperial College London student accommodation, but for the summer they're rented out to the general public. And so I'm gonna go exploring. I don't really come over to this end of London much because it's kind of west, and a lot of my work and blog events tend to all happen either in central or in East London, so Shoreditch, Brick Lane area. So I don't come over to this area of London much. So I'm super excited to go and explore. So this is my room for the night. So we've got a double bed, loads of storage. I've got a little desk area. But you know, when you're in London, all you want to do is just have a base, and this is the perfect space. So the number one thing you have to do when you're in South Kensington is do the museums. So it's the best place in London to go to all of the museums. You've got the Science Museum down the road, you've got the V&A just behind me here, and you've got the Natural History Museum further down the road the other way as well. So it's the best place to come in London if you love your history, you love your culture, and you love nature really as well. So this is called Thin House. Look, without sounding stupid, how thin the building is. One thing South Kensington is also really great for is Bookshop. So I'm going to go into South Kensington Bookshop and try and find something for my birthday in a couple of weeks. Another great thing to do in South Kensington is to find the buskers and listen to the live music for a while. There's a guy over here in South Ken, and he's just started playing the Game of Thrones theme tune, and I'm living for this. Accommodation is also super handy if you want to go for a show at the Royal Albert Hall. It's just behind me here, and it's literally a 5-minute walk. They've got so many great shows on over the next couple of months, so make sure you check it out.